Welcome everybody to Omnisend's marketing tip series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase your sales. Now, yesterday we talked about message content when splitting your abandoned cart emails based on a shopper's cart total. Remember that? Today, I want to build upon the strategy and discuss how these splits can impact other elements of your cart abandonment series. Now, on top of different message content based on cart total, think of the other aspects of your strategy that can be impacted here, like discounts or the number of messages you send. Let's look at those shoppers under the $35 free shipping threshold. Knowing they have a low cart total, you may want to adapt your discount strategy, perhaps by including a minimum spend to qualify. This way, you can present the discount as 10% off and free shipping on all orders over $50. On top of the discount, knowing the cart total is so low, you may choose to send, say, only one email and one SMS message. For those email-only customers, maybe 2 messages instead of 3. After all, the chances of a low cart total abandoners returning to complete their purchase are likely lower than those with higher totals. Now, of course, you may want to send them all 3 if you continue to retarget these customers on, say, paid search and paid socials. Email is often a much cheaper option. But really, the option's yours, and that's the best part about it. Now, let's look at those over the threshold. For those shoppers, you can remove the minimum amount and just subtly remind them they also qualify for free shipping, keeping the messages on point and overcome for other purchase obstacles. Of course, you can try to entice these shoppers even further by offering, say, a tier discount. This could look like 10% off 50, 15% off 75, and 20% off 100. Plus, free shipping for everyone. Oprah would be proud. When it comes to the number of messages to send in your series, the same principle applies to what I just spoke of. Because their carts are higher, you may choose to send them 3 messages and 2 SMS to this group. But remember, you can use multiple splits, and because of this, you can opt to send the 4th message or additional SMS to the top tier of cart abandoners, knowing it may take them a bit longer to complete their purchase. You can see how one piece of data gives you the ability to customize your abandoned cart messages in a way that makes the most sense for your customers. So start splitting your messages, even if you send the same message to everyone. This way, you can see the metrics between the 2 or more audiences convert before customizing your messages and splits further. So come back tomorrow, because we're going to take splits to a whole new level. Thanks for tuning into this episode of the Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend. Let us prove to you how we can help you double your conversions. And until next time, happy marketing, everyone.